All right, in this next example, I'm going to show you how to use to solve using reciprocal and opposite powers. So first example here, I've got an x to the negative 1 is 4. So anything, if I've got a negative or anything, I'll use a different one. Let's say I've got an x to the negative 1 is equal to, let's go 8, for example. What we want to do is whenever we find a power of a power, we multiply the powers. So I want to take this thing here, and I want to find something I can multiply negative 1 by that will give me a positive 1. And of course, I would multiply that by another negative 1. Here we go. And I'll multiply that by, I'll put that to the power also to the power of negative 1. Now over here, negative 1 times negative 1 is 1, leaving with an x to the 1 or just an x. And of course, on the other side, we're left with 8 to the negative 1. So if x to the negative 1 is 8, then x is equal to 8 to the power of negative 1. So over here, when we're going to do number C, all we're going to do is say x to the power of negative 1. We're going to make that to the power of negative 1. Do the same thing to both sides. Negative 1 times negative 1, because when you have a power to a power, you always multiply the indices together. So x to the power of 1, or just x, is equal 4 to the negative 1. All right, this next one I've got a fractional power. So let's choose a different one. Let's go x to the power of 2/7, for example. X to the power of 2/7 is equal to 10. Well, we want to find out what the value of x is. So in order to do that, I'm going to now take the reciprocal of this. So I'm going to take this to the power of its reciprocal, which would be not 2/7, but 7/2. Do the same thing on both sides, of course. Put this to the power of 7/2 as well. But when I multiply 2/7 by 7/2s, I get x, well, 2/7 are 14, and 7/2s are 14. Oops. Is equal to 10 to the 7/2. And immediately here, you can now see, I was going to move some stuff out of the way, sorry. Otherwise, I'm not going to push this paper up far enough. 14/14 is 1, so x to the 1, or just x, is 10 to the 7/2. So this next one over here, all I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite that. I've got an x to the 3/2 is equal to 4. I'm going to put this to the power of its reciprocal power. So not 3/2, but 2/3. 2/3. And the reason I'm doing that, because 3 2 times 2/3 is going to give 1. So x is equal to 4 to the power of 2/3. Now the final one I've got here is a nice easy one. X to the 0.5 is equal to 4. Now if it's to the 0.5, it just means if I've got x, say, to the 0.5 is equal to, let's say, 9, then all I'm going to do is I'm going to make this thing here to the power of, let's have a look. Well, this just means a half. So in fact, I'm going to rewrite that as x to the half is equal to 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and put that to the power of 2/1. Because a half times 2/1 is just 1. So I'm going to put this to the power of 2/1 as well. And I've got 9 to the power of 2. 9 squared is 81. And there's my answer. So this here would be the same thing. This is now x to the 1/2 is equal to 4. I'm going to put that to the power of 2/1. Its reciprocal of the half is 2/1. Put this to the power of 2/1. There it is. Half times 2/1 is equal to 1, or just x. So 4 to the power of 2/1, or 4 to the power of 2, is in fact 16. And there is my answer.